welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about my January favorites. Oh my god, like 2018 just started and it's almost a month down. Like, what's happening to the time? Slow down. So let's get started with my January favorites. The first thing I have to show to you guys is this is the daily planner I've been using a lot during January. My friend Beena got it for me because she knows how much I'm into planning stuff, and also that now I have a YouTube channel, a blog to handle, Instagram to handle, and other work stuff. It's really easy for me to plan things now because I love planning things. I love making lists, things to do, schedule, calls and emails, everything. So this planner helps me a lot, and thank you Beena for this. So this planner I've been using a lot during January, so I thought it should be up on my favorites, though I'm gonna be using it a lot. Next up is beauty stuff. So I recently changed my foundation. I still use my Maybelline Fit Me for most of the times, but I just started using this foundation. It's again from Maybelline. It's called Dream Satin Skin SPF 24 PA++, and I'm in shade PO3. So yeah, this is a foundation and it comes with a cap and a pump, which I absolutely love. And this foundation is Air Whip liquid foundation, and it's really lightweight on my skin. I absolutely love the way it feels on my skin, and it's perfect for winters. So I've been using this for winters because Fit Me sometimes look cakey or dry on my skin because I have a dry skin. Like, my skin goes really dry in winter, so this foundation works wonder for me. Next up, a product which I've been obsessed I think since December, and I use it a lot during January, is my banana powder from Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana. So it's a loose powder. I actually bought it to set my makeup, and then I realized that I can just use it normally also. It instantly brightens my face up and it looks gorgeous on my skin. I've been using this powder a lot. Right now also I'm just wearing a concealer and applied this powder. Next up is, actually I don't have it with me right now. It's Vaseline spray moisturizer, and I have a dry skin, and I'm very lazy, so I have tons of moisturizer even right now on my desk, but I never use it because I hate it. So when I heard about the spray moisturizer, I was really excited, like, just spray and I'm done. So I got it in December and I was using it every day and it got over, so I've ordered a new bottle from Nykaa. Hope it comes soon so that I can continue with my every day. Next up is this lip balm from Juicy Chemistry. So Juicy Chemistry is a brand which makes organic products with natural ingredients, and that's why I picked up a lip balm from them, because lip balm is a thing which you apply every day and it actually goes into your system, like when you eat and stuff, and I didn't want any chemicals to go, yeah. So I got this Juicy Chemistry Choco Mint Lip Butter, which is amazing. I love the mint feeling on my lips, which is a bit tingly. Not most of them like it, so you can go for the rose one. I don't like the rose smell, though I use a rose water a lot, but I don't like the smell on my lip butter, so I use this Choco Mint lip butter from them. I have another lip balm which are natural, but this works wonder for my lips. It really hydrates and moisturizes my lip and keeps it soft and supple throughout the day. Like, I only apply it twice, I think, not much, so because again I'm lazy. So this is the lip balm is my favorite whole throughout January, and I think it's gonna be favorite for a really long time. So next up is my favorite series, and I love binge watching, and I've been binge watching this serial called Young Sheldon, and it's a story about Sheldon's character from Big Bang Theory when he was younger and when he was living in Texas. And I think I love Young Sheldon more than Big Bang Theory now, because the way Sheldon reacts, the younger Sheldon reacts to many of the things is really cute. Like, that series is really amazing. So I am like currently obsessed with that series. And next up is my favorite movie for January. It's actually not released in January, but I still love it because I happened to see it in January, and it's Bareilly Ki Barfi, and I absolutely love the story, the way the characters are portrayed. I'm in love with it. Like, oh, like I can watch it again and again. And in fact, my favorite song of the month is also from that movie. It's Nazm Nazm. So that's it for my January favorites, guy. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe. Make me reach 100 soon so that I can start giveaways and stuff for you guys. So subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Bye.